dining table is a very heavy piece of furniture, which takes a lot of space in the house, but is used only twice or thrice in a day. But with Invisible Bed's creative thinking, there's a practical solution for everything. This modular dining table is a perfect example of multifunctionality at its best. Firstly, it unfolds into a spacious dining table with comfortable seating for 4 to 5 people. The chairs are foldable as well and can be stored in their dedicated storage compartment when not in use. The smart storage compartments ensure sufficient storage space for all your kitchenware and barware collections. So, when the table is not in use, it folds back completely to clear up the living room and provide me with ample space.